the next one I'm going to do, Judith, is again just very, very quick. It's a ginger brisket roll, and it's very much on the same principle.
This one I do know. This one I, for once, know.
Do you?
Yes, it's a very good idea. It's very quick and easy, isn't it? And again, as you say, something you can do beforehand.
Yes, a girlfriend who was a stewardess who was anti things that took a long time gave it to me. Now, what it is ginger biscuits. Just a packet of ginger biscuits. And you take ginger biscuits and you spread them with cream like that. And then you layer them up like that, so that you make a long sausage. And you do this and then you leave it overnight. And you'll need a 1/4 pint of single cream and a 1/4 pint of double cream whipped together. And half of it you use to sandwich these together like this, and then you can wrap it in foil and leave it in the fridge overnight. And you have a feel that's quite soft and spongy. You see.
I tell you what, I do soak mine in a drop of sherry, cooking sherry, before I put the cream between them.
So do I sometimes, but I can't be extravagant with the first recipe and then extravagant again. So it is quite a good idea. And in fact,
nice flavour.
You can do it not neat sherry. You can sort of mix half and half with water. And then you just spread the top over with the cream to serve. And it's a very, very instant pudding.
And my immediate thought was, oh, it'll just look like ginger biscuits squashed together with cream. But when they do blend and you serve it, it doesn't look like them at all, does it?
Not at all, no. There we are. And then if you've got any stem ginger left over from Christmas, then you can put a little stem ginger on top, but we haven't because too many people in the family like stem ginger. And so you can put a few cherries over the top, maraschino cherries or something like that. So you do this recipe ahead the night before, sandwich a packet of biscuits together with half single and double cream mixed together, and then leave it soaking overnight and then just put this cream over now.